The weekly code quiz. So far we have reviewed examples of elements that are considered structural markup. They define the structure of a web page. They tell the browser how to display the content. But we also need to know what role the content plays on a page. This type of markup not only gives information to the browser, but it also helps a user identify more about the content. What is this type of markup called? Semantic markup. What are some reasons why we use semantic markup? Accessibility, search engine indexing, and search engine optimization. With semantic markup, how do we identify the following parts of a web page? The top area that contains logos and the navigation. Header. The navigation itself. Nav. The primary content. Main. Content related to the subject of the web page but not considered primary. Aside. How do we partition the content into distinct areas? Section. Standalone pieces of content that may be syndicated. Example, blog posts or news items. Article. The bottom of the page that may contain a secondary navigation, contact info, disclaimers, and copyright. Footer. Presented by Designers Learn Code.